Hello friend, welcome back, and today in this video we will learn how to create a multiple folder on a single click. So I want, let's say this is my data, and in this data I want to create this is the data of the United States state wise, right? So I want to create these 52 folders, right? So if I'll do it manually, it will take a lot of time. So I will tell you one trick in which I'll create these 52 folders in a single click, right? So first what I'll do, I'll just type md space and then the name of the first state in this way, right? Just press enter. Now same process I want to do with this Delaware and District of Columbia and all that, right? So what I'll do, I'll just click on home menu, and then I'll press this flash fill, right? And then click. So this will fill all my field with what I want in this way, right? So these are the folders. Just formatting it. Now I'll just copy this data. I'll go to the folder where I want to place this folder to be created, right? So this is my local drive where I want to place this folder. So now I'll just open a new text file or a notepad file. So just right click here in new, and from new click text document, right? And name it anything. Create folders. Now enter and Ctrl V to paste. Okay, all the data. Now click on file and click on save as, and from save as you just name it create folder, and at the last you just type period symbol dot and put BAT. This is a BAT. BAT. This means batch file, and click save. Now click save and close it, right? Now what you will do, you just click it and bam, your all folders are created. So you can check all 52 folders are created. These are the total counts, 52. So in this way you can create 52 or more than 50 to 100 or 200 folders